What if I told you that you can launch your own online store powered by AI without knowing how to code and without spending thousands of dollars? Sounds crazy, right? Well, I'm about to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using ChatGPT and a few free tools. Let's go. First, let's find a product that sells. Open ChatGPT and type something like, I want you to act like a product research specialist. Give me 10 trending products for Gen Z customers in 2025 with high profit potential. Give me Google links to find each product. ChatGPT will give you ideas like phone accessories, wellness items, or even niche hobbies. You can pick one niche and ask for products. I find this white noise machine interesting, so I'm going to go ahead with that. Give me budget white noise machines products. Boom, you have your products. Use tools like Google Trends or TikTok to validate the hype. After a few minutes of research, I chose this product. We can buy it from Alibaba.com for $5. The selling price can be set between $15 and $20, depending on the market value. Next up, your store. No coding, no stress. Use platforms like Shopify, Xyro, or even Card. Also, you can use Hosting AI website builder for more control. Now, here's where ChatGPT becomes your best friend again. Ask it to generate product description. I want you to act like a content writer who writes SEO-friendly product descriptions for e-commerce sites. Product name, HomeDix white noise sound machine. Copy. Paste. Done. In a few minutes of work, you can get your store live. If you're really serious about building your store and taking things to the next level, you can actually develop your own custom e-commerce platform with the help of ChatGPT. You'll need a bit of technical knowledge, but don't stress. Everything you need to know, you can literally learn by just asking ChatGPT. That's exactly how I built my entire e-commerce platform, step by step, with ChatGPT as my developer. If you want a full video on how I did it, just drop a comment below and I'll make it happen. Also, if you're curious about how to get better codes from ChatGPT, I've made a few videos on prompt engineering. You'll find those linked in the description. Check them out. Okay, let's talk SEO, the secret sauce to getting free traffic. Ask ChatGPT, I want you to act like a SEO blog writer. Give me SEO optimized blog topics for HomeDix white noise sound machine targeting Gen Z customers. Next, you can pick one topic and ask for the full content. Write content for Say Goodbye to Overthinking at 2 AM. This sound machine changed my sleep. Finally, you can ask for blog site development. Now I hope you act like a full stack developer. Create a blog page including that content. Give me HTML and CSS codes in the same HTML code. ChatGPT gave me the full code within seconds. Just want to create an index.html file and paste this code into that file. I made several follow-up requests to add images and enhance the appearance of the blog page. You'll get content ideas you can post weekly. Use ChatGPT to write your blogs and just tweak them with tools like Grammarly or Yoast. SEO is your long-term moneymaker. It's like planting seeds that grow over time. Time to spread the word. You don't need to be a marketing genius. Tell ChatGPT, write me a viral short video script promoting HomeDix white noise sound machine. You can convert that script into a video using TopView AI. You can post this kind of short videos consistently on YouTube and TikTok to grab attention. Free marketing powered by AI. Last step, customer support, without actually doing it yourself. Use ChatGPT to create a chatbot script. Here we go. I want you to act like the best full-stack developer who is familiar with developing AI chatbots for e-com websites. Can you create an AI chatbot using HTML/JS? If any backend involvement needed, use PHP. ChatGPT provides you step-by-step roadmap to create your chatbot, including all the codes and sources like API. We just want to follow the instructions. But you want to keep one thing in mind. Sometimes ChatGPT makes error. Although if it did it without error, we have to request several times to enhance it to get the best results. In this case, I had to spend 20 minutes to create the chatbot. I have to speed up the process to prevent video from getting too long and boring. If you are someone who likes to have a full video about developing a chatbot using ChatGPT, comment it down below. I'll do another video about that. In this case, ChatGPT made a mistake, which caused an error in the code. I gave the error message back to ChatGPT several times, and it fixed the issue. In the end, it also formatted the message nicely. All done by ChatGPT itself. I didn't touch the code at all. You can train your AI chatbot by giving it details about your products and business structure and other important data. It's not only for your e-commerce store. You can plug that into tools like TDO, ManyChat, or even a basic email autoresponder. Your bot can answer common questions, track orders, or even upsell other products. And that's it. You just built an AI-powered online store with zero coding, zero experience, and all with free or low-cost tools. If you found this helpful, drop a comment and hit that bell for more videos on making money online with smart tools like ChatGPT. See you in the next one.